it's unthinkable that so many would die in a hail of gunfire on a U.S. Army base in the heart of Texas, and that a fellow service member could have pulled the trigger. Our athletes hail from 46 states, D.C., and the Virgin Islands.
That means 2 of the last 4 Super Bowl MVPs hail from the Pittsburgh wide receiving corps. Now,
To see our clouds, hail, snow, rain, thunder, all fabricated at our feet. To most Americans at the time, Jefferson's experience was a familiar one. He charged forward into a hail of bullets.
And in Chicago, where I was raised, we did it in the hail, sleet, snow, gale force winds.
because while most of us will never be asked to run straight into a hail of bullets or chase down an armed suspect on foot, we also have responsibilities to meet. And they kept charging, 50 meters, 80 meters, ultimately a 100-meter run through a hail of bullets.
To the 2 of you and the Bidens, who hail from my home state, we appreciate your hospitality. We all look forward to this date.
To Nicaragua, from the Philippines to Peru. They arrived here in different ways. Some of you came.
You now hail from a lineage and legacy of immeasurably strong men, men who bore tremendous burdens and still laid the stones for the path on which we now walk.
With complete disregard for his own safety, and in spite of his own wounds, he ran through a hail of enemy rocket-propelled grenade and machine gun fire to rescue a critically wounded comrade who had been pinned down in an exposed position.
I should mention on behalf of hockey fans back home in Chicago, I have to say how grateful our championship Blackhawks are for their several teammates who hail from Sweden.
Unable to engage the entire enemy force from his location, he picked up the machine gun and moved forward, firing from his hip and spraying a withering hail of bullets into the oncoming enemy, causing them to break into confusion.
There was hail when I landed in Newark.
You can hail an Uber in Lagos or Kampala.